Здесь противник.
Wait, is there just like, oh, there's no like lid. There's like...
It's a sippy lid. Nick got him a sippy cup.
That's pretty good.
I'm telling you, man.
That's actually really good.
They're addictive.
As if my caffeine addiction already wasn't raging enough.
I drink a lot of coffee. Like, I've already had one of these basically, and now this is round 2. But if I drink one of that, I get the shakes.
So I need to slow down.
No, I mean, you don't have to. But
oh, so you want me to go Mach 7 into a wall? This is what we call drone fuel.
So all them oscillations you see today, that's not his tune. That's his caffeine.
You need to raise your filters with your caffeine intake. Oh, this is gonna be a bad day.
12 seconds later.
What are you doing, Bacon?
Trying to get my GoPro to work.
Have you tried turning it off and on again yet?
It works.
Well, I don't see the issue then.
Counting every second till you're next to me, boy. Every night you always get the best of me, boy. Multiply, get it right. Gravity is out my mind, my mind. Scratching the surface of a masterpiece. You light me up and make me want another piece. You magnify, do it right. Take me in just this time. This time, wish my feet would stay put on the ground, but we go higher and higher. So my body's nowhere to be found. We go higher and higher, higher and higher, higher and higher. Clock a ticking, I've been sticking to my guns. I've been thinking I would try to hide or run. Acted out for you, babe, but you know I always stay. Oh, wish my feet would stay put on the ground, but we go higher and higher. So my body's nowhere to be found. We go higher and higher.
What's the plan, Bacon? Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so warm and it's so warm in here. It's so cold outside. Kevin's car is so cold.
Why does it have the heat on?
I don't know.
It's the only reason to be in the car.
Oh my god, it's so cold.
Why do you smell like coffee?
Because I just pounded a nitro cold brew.
You're like, I think it's really good idea to get really cold coffee on a cold
Well, I
day.
thought Kevin was gonna have his heat on. Apparently he likes it just as cold as the outside. Kevin! 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 Hey John, what do you think about vloggers?
It's annoying when they do it when I'm trying to figure out where to fly. And it's freezing.
When it cuts into your flying time?
Exactly.
I hate you guys.
We hate you too. Kevin! The f do you want?
We've been trying to fly this whole time and you're over there yakking into the yak box.
Well, I got to yak to the yak box. I have a job to do.
Oh no.
Your job
This is the start of him using that as an excuse.
I don't
I'm riding with you.
Okay.
His car was just warmer at the time. Goodbye, Warm. Oh, and John. Well, that is it for now, boys and girls. See you guys in 15 minutes.
1 hour later.
Shortest 15 minutes of my life. Let's go rip.
I'm breathing, okay. You got your way. Wish my feet would stay put on the ground. We go higher and higher, higher and higher. Ooh, higher and higher. We go higher, higher. Ooh. Honey, I know that you've been waiting for me way above the clouds, but if both of us are up there, then we'll be falling down. Yeah, I know that you've been waiting for me, waiting for me. Oh, wish my feet would stay put on the ground. We go higher and higher till my body
What the hell is that?
Well, you see I got snagalized by this here branch, and I can't reach it, and it's so well groomed that we can't find any sticks. So I got some bungee cables and a GoPro head strap would hopefully be a nice little snagalizer there. I don't think this is long enough. No! It didn't work! It didn't work! No, it's falling apart.
No way! No way! Here, wait. Here's your quad net back.
I don't know what to do.
Something.
I need to get it. When all else fails, the frozen bottle. Holy f, it's so cold. There's a little bit of water in there.
Did you pre-freeze that, or was that just left in the car
that's
overnight?
just literally froze in my truck. All right, here we go. Underhanded.
Give it the underhand chuck.
I'm overhanded. No! Don't blow up! Come on, you gotta work. No! I'm gonna hit Kevin's car.
Oh, bombs away! Woo! Oh no!
No!
Attempt number 35.
It's been a while since I played basketball.
I think that's your problem. That wasn't even close. My hands are getting cold filming you, John. Come on. Oh! Oh, you got it! All right. Just gonna go throw this guy back up in the tree.